Welcome once again to my YouTube channel at Madhura Patwardhan 2242. Continuing the series Fun with Words, today we are going to discuss some devices known as figures of speech or imagery. So a figure of speech is a device, a use of language which creates mental pictures of the subject that is being described. So it will give you a visual of whatever is being described using many different ways. So the first and commonest figure of speech is called a simile. A simile is comparing one thing to another or one person to a thing, showing what similarity is there by expressing it explicitly using words like as, so, and like. For example, as dark as the night. So here we have as. Life is like a dream. Now here we're using like. So this is one of the commonest figures of speech. The second, which is like a simile because it is also based on comparison, is called a metaphor. A metaphor is an implicit simile. It does not openly state the similarity, but it assumes it. So it directly identifies similar qualities. For example, if I say he was a lion in battle, it doesn't mean that he was an actual lion, but he was as brave as a lion in battle. The camel is the ship of the desert. The camel is not literally a ship, but we can expand this metaphor and say that just as a ship helps us to cross the sea, the camel helps us to cross the desert. So that is why it is called the ship of the desert. And here we had life is like a dream. We can just turn it life is a dream. So then it becomes a metaphor. There are about 30 to 33 figures of speech. After this, I shall be discussing with you personification and alliteration. Though alliteration is not actually a figure of speech, but it is a device of speech in which we make use repeatedly of the same sounds. So after this, I shall be discussing with you alliteration and personification.